What's up, YouTube? Thought you got rid of me. This video is going to be about mp3 player. Look, you can see the camera. But this is the mp3 players I bought. I bought two of them. They're only like 30 bucks at Fry's Electronics. Naxa. 8 gigabytes. Don't know if you can see it. It says, yeah, you're not gonna be able to see that. Nah, you're not gonna be able to. But yeah, there, that's better. I can't sit in my chair because there's a bunch of crap there. So, I'm just standing. But the thing about these new ones is they're 8 gigabytes. And when I first put my music on it, it started making a skipping noise. So, like every quite some time it would start skipping and it started pissing me off. And like little chunks are missing from the music. So I put it down to, I thought they didn't reconfigure it for 8 gigabytes. Because it used to be 4 gigabytes. But so I put it under 4 gigabytes, it still kind of did it. It kind of helped a little bit, but the thing is, it fixed it. And if you guys are having trouble, if you have one of these with the same issue, go to, while it's playing, you push the menu button while it's playing. Then you go to the repeat setting, and then you select repeat folder, so it repeats only one folder. I did that, didn't hear another skipping noise. What's actually going on is that the RAMs, when you get it, it's going to try to play all the music on it, which I don't think the RAMs, there's enough RAM in this, the buffer, something or another, is not big enough to handle that. They didn't reconfigure it. So, instead of it worrying about putting all of the music in the RAM, which is going to have trouble with that, which it did, it'll only have to worry about one folder at a time. Yeah, you can't play all your music at once, but you ain't gonna get that nasty, hideous little popping, skipping noise. So if you are having trouble with these, oh shit, what the fuck's my mouse on? If you guys are having trouble with that, with these, while it's playing, push the menu button, go to repeat setting, and then select repeat folder, and it should solve the problem. That's what I did, and works just fine. This one was skipping really bad. I did that, didn't hear it once. So, hope that helps. I'm actually gonna turn it on. If you wanna wait a second, I'll show you. Headphones in my pocket. Alright, so let me show you how to solve the issue. If I can, without destroying everything while trying to get the play camera. Alright, so if you're having trouble with that skipping noise, you push, while it's playing, you push menu, and then you go to repeat, and then you select repeat folder. So I already got that selected. You don't want it to play all the music on the mp3 player, you just want it to repeat one folder. And after that it should work fine. It does for me. I haven't put any more on it, but I'm going to try an experiment where I put more music on it, see if it continues doing that. I mean, they're not bad, little MP3 players. Pretty simple to use. Easy, very easy to put music on it. All you gotta do is open up the drive. That's the MP3 player. Open up your music, then drag and drop. That's it. That's very simple. Instead of getting some fucking stupid program that you have to put your music through for it to convert or something bullshit. It's actually easy to just drag and drop as long as one of these. Usually Windows, it'll say in the manual, which be prepared because it's kind of Chinese English. So, but it does it fun. Anywho, hope that solves your problems if you're having problems with it. See ya.